First speaker for the evening is Ken Brown, speaking on legal fees.
Good evening, Aldermen, citizens, and the mayor, wherever you happen to be. I'm here to speak on the legal fees as related to the upcoming decision, I believe, which is for tonight. And my position is that the mayor and the aldermen are all elected, and once they're sworn in, are mayor and or aldermen for 24/7 for the entire time of their term. Everything that happens within that time frame is not covered as an expense by the citizenry. Not all of your legal fees, unless it's directly responsible for you acting as a legal elected official. In the particular case that we were looking at, the mayor was clearly at a campaign event. Therefore, we should at least wait until that decision would be made one way or the other before we would decide if he was officially acting in the course of being a mayor. If he had a car crash or he stole something, the citizens would not be expected to pick up the fee. If one of the aldermen in the room was accused of disorderly conduct, we would not necessarily pay for his or her legal fees for that particular incident. If the mayor were to get a divorce, we wouldn't be picking up his legal fees. So the legal fees would only apply when they were directly a result of something the city did with the action of the mayor. For instance, if the mayor were here and decided he didn't want to hear my comments, and rather than gavel me down, he wanted to throw the gavel at me, I would sue him personally. I wouldn't sue him as the mayor. If you all ganged up and voted that you should throw the gavel at me to shut me up, then I would sue you collectively as the city, because you would be acting on behalf of the city, not individually. If the mayor were out having a little adventure up in Brookfield and came across some illicit behavior that he decided he wanted to engage in, we wouldn't pay his legal fees in that event either, and we certainly shouldn't be responsible for doing the time if he was found guilty of criminal act. The citizen should not be on the hook for that. If we were to set this up where the mayor's legal fees get paid on an issue like this, suddenly all 15 aldermen have a bottomless checkbook to draw from. They can use the citizens' money. They don't have to cave, because they know they can keep reaching into the citizens' pocket and get as much legal fees as they want to beat down any attacks that might come for behavior that they are accused of doing. So on that note, you do have the power to make decisions, right decisions, wrong decisions. Make the right decision here. Think of the taxpayers. Even if we had tons of money like we had in 1971, it wouldn't have been a good idea then. It's not a good idea now to just spend the citizens' taxpayer money willy-nilly to support the mayor's legal challenge in this particular case. Thank you.